fate of our very own galaxy, the Milky Way. As we venture into the depths of the cosmos, we are faced with a perplexing phenomenon: the gradual disappearance of the Milky Way. This isn't a simple case of celestial objects drifting apart, but a more intricate puzzle that has captivated the minds of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Within the vast expanse of the universe, a myriad of galactic events are constantly reshaping our cosmic landscape, contributing to this enigma. From the mysteries of dark matter to the colossal force of black holes, the celestial realm is a hotbed of activity that could be influencing the fate of our galaxy. Meanwhile, on our own planet, human activities and escalating light pollution are casting a veil over the night sky, obscuring our view of the Milky Way's radiant beauty. As we gaze upon the night sky, the question remains, is the Milky Way slowly fading away? Astronomers and scientists have begun to notice alarming changes within our galaxy. In the quest to understand these shifts, they've turned to cutting-edge research and celestial observations. They've peered into the heart of the Milky Way, scouring its star-studded expanse for answers. Our galaxy, it seems, is not as constant as we once believed. Theories on dark matter, those elusive particles that don't emit, absorb, or reflect light, suggest it could be playing a role in the changes we're observing. Dark matter is believed to make up about 85% of the matter in the universe, yet its presence is only inferred from its gravitational effects on visible matter and light. Could this unseen force be contributing to the disappearance of our galaxy? Then there's the enigmatic black holes, regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Black holes can grow by absorbing mass from their surroundings. Is it possible that these cosmic behemoths are slowly devouring the Milky Way? And we can't ignore the impact of human activities. Our insatiable thirst for artificial light has led to a dramatic increase in light pollution. This relentless glow is obscuring our view of the cosmos, making it harder to observe the night sky and detect changes within our galaxy. The stars of the Milky Way, once visible to the naked eye, are gradually fading from sight in many parts of the world. The Milky Way, our galactic home, appears to be vanishing. It's a slow process unfolding over millions of years, and the full extent of these changes may not be evident within our lifetimes, yet the signs are there, and they're a cause for concern. As we continue to uncover the secrets of our universe, the fate of our galaxy hangs in the balance. As light pollution obscures our view of the cosmos, the future of stargazing becomes uncertain. With the brilliance of the Milky Way gradually fading, we find ourselves in a race against time to preserve the celestial wonders of our galaxy. Our ability to gaze upon the stars is not just a privilege, but a bridge to understanding the universe and our place within it. To safeguard this, we can take steps to mitigate light pollution. Simple actions like turning off unnecessary lights, using lower intensity bulbs, and advocating for dark sky preserves can make a significant difference. In a world where the Milky Way may no longer be visible, the potential future of stargazing could be transformed. We may rely more on advanced technology and space exploration to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. The fate of our Milky Way is a cosmic mystery that serves as a potent reminder of our responsibility to preserve the beauty of our night sky for future generations.